What is up, guys? It's Gracie and Brandon back again. But we got a new Nerf gun yesterday. It's actually today. It looks like this. I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys have seen it before. Holds 3 darts. And bro, it's gigantic. You hold the camera. Look how big. No, look how big the darts are. They're mega insane. And I like how you don't see where the darts are. Hold the camera. And then you could cock it, shoot it. I don't know where the heck that was. I see. Okay, hold this. Hold this. Hold the camera. But yeah, and all that other stuff. And Vernon is running to get the dart that I shot in the middle of nowhere. Wait, is there toads in there?
No.
Toad, you in there?
There's no toad in there.
Oh, you toad.
Alright, let's go.
My mom's in drinking it.
Okay, we're going to test this gun on the garage door. Are you ready, guys? So, you have to stand on the one right here. On that one. Okay. Are you ready, guys? Set, go. Oh, wait.
It's that cocked.
Go. Whoa. We're going to try it up close.
Oh, and by the way, guys, I did get my hair cut. It does look boy short, but who cares? Okie dokie. It's so heroic. Birdie, can I test it out on the garage door now?
Yeah, sure. Now this is how the cool kids do it. You gotta film. Stuck, bro.
Are you ready?
Oh, snap! That was the window. Where did that go? Oh, get it out! That was so far.
Where is it?
Back here. Don't think. It flew over the shed. Oh my god, that was so cool. I literally shot it like a mile away.
Hold the camera. Bro, you gotta do that. That is the most amazing thing I've ever seen in my life. But okay, let's continue this.
It has a really far kickback.
Okay,
Are you guys ready?
I'm bringing the camera on over.
Go.
It's gonna go in the ditch. Give me.